Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we solved the example about the grammar rule, and we know that what is the grammar rule and what is the matrix invariant method. Now we will solve the exercise number 1.6, question number 1. And the question number 1 is: use matrices if possible to solve the following system of linear equation by. Use matrices if possible to solve the linear equations of the following system of linear equation by the invariant method. So the first part is 2x minus 2y 3x plus 2y is equals to 8, and this is equals to 4. This is the solution. This will be equal to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, x and y, and this is equals to 4 and 8. We know that this is equals to a, and this is equals to x, and this is equals to b. A is equals to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, and x is equals to x and y, and b is equals to 4 and 8. So from this equation we can say that x is equals to a inverse of b. So first we solve the a inverse, which is equals to adjoint of a over determinant of a. Now we solve the determinant of a, which is equals to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2. It will be equals to 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3. This is equals to 4 plus 6, which is equals to 10. So 10 is not equal to 0, so we can say that a inverse exists. Now we find the adjoint of a, and it will be equals to 2, 2, 2 and minus 3. Now x is equals to a inverse of b. Put the value of a inverse, which is equals to adjoint of a over determinant of a into b. Put the value of a inverse adjoint of a, which is 2, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, and the determinant of a is equals to 10, and the b is 4 and 8. Now we multiply both these matrices. 2 into 4 plus 2 into 8 minus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 8 divided by 10. This will be equals to 8 plus 16 minus 12 plus 16 divided by 10, and it will be equals to 8 plus 16 24, and minus 12 plus 16 is 4 divided by 10. So x and y is equals to 24 by 10 and 4 by 10. This will be equals to 2 12s are 24 and 2 5s are 10, 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So 12 by 5 and 2 by 5. The value of x is equals to 12 by 5, and the value of y is equals to 2 by 5. This is the answer of the x and y variable. So the first question is solved. The next part we will solve in our next video, inshallah.